In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly transfer your domain from GoDaddy to Hostinger. Transferring a domain might sound complicated, but I'll show you how to do it step by step, ensuring a smooth transition without any hiccups. First, we're going to prepare your domain at GoDaddy. Start by logging into your GoDaddy account. Once you're in, head over to the Domain Portfolio section. Here you'll see a list of all the domains you currently own. To unlock one, you need to click on the three-dot icon next to the specific domain you wish to transfer. You'll then select Turn Lock Off. This step is crucial, as domains need to be unlocked to allow any changes to the settings. If you have domain protection enabled, don't be surprised if you're prompted to verify your identity. You'll typically get a verification request via SMS or through an authenticator app. Just follow the steps they provide and you'll be good to go. Next, we need to find your Hostinger name servers. Log into your Hostinger account and locate the name servers for your domain. You should be able to find these in your Hostinger control panel, usually under sections labeled Websites or DNS. Keep this information at the ready as we'll need it shortly. Now let's update the name servers at GoDaddy. Head back to your GoDaddy domain portfolio and once again select the domain you're working with. Click the three-dot icon one more time and this time choose Edit DNS. This takes you to the Name Servers tab where you'll click Change Name Servers. Here, you'll be prompted to select an option, so go ahead and choose I'll use my own name servers. This is where the Hostinger name servers we located earlier come into play. Enter them exactly as they appear in your Hostinger account, such as ns1.dnsparking.com and ns2.dnsparking.com. It's important to remember that you should always use the exact name servers provided by your Hostinger account to ensure everything works correctly. Finally, prepare to wait for DNS propagation. Once you've updated the DNS settings, these changes can take some time to spread across the internet. DNS changes may require up to 48 hours to fully propagate. During this period, you might find that your site is temporarily unavailable, but this is normal, so there's no need for alarm. Once the propagation is complete, your domain will be successfully pointing to your Hostinger hosting. And there you have it. With just a few steps, you've transferred your domain from GoDaddy to Hostinger. We hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and happy hosting!